What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. This is day 4 of the Bronco body build, and we're starting the assembly of this driver's side quarter panel. You see Chris working on in the background. Take a look at this real quick. What we got going on, Chris?
Just figuring out fitment. Damn, that train's loud. So we need to figure out where we're gonna pop holes to get some support in here. So that other one we built up on upside down. This one has a few more pieces. So I'm just gonna try to get everything lined up, make sure everything in here lines up where it needs to be. That we can run through, pop our holes for all of our spot welds, and then we'll flip it over and continue the process, getting the light bucket put in, the lower quarter, all that, the stake, the B pillar, all that fun stuff. This one's a little bit more complicated than that side though. There's that one we could just tack weld it all the way around the wheel well. On this side, there's nothing there. So this piece has to fit in and be square. So just trying to line it up and make sure it all fits. Do any tweaking we gotta tweak before we drill our holes and try to get it all tack welded together.
All right, guys, stay tuned for the next part.
All right, Jared, what do we got going on here?
Well, we're going to be tack welding these, spot welding all of the gasoline supports.
That's all around the tech screws.
Yep. We got those all pulled tight. So I'll get those spot welded real quick and get it flipped over to the back side. Alright.
That's clean.
All right, what do we got going on?
Oh, just the same old stuff. Normally, we wedge this in after we put that quarter on. Just trying to figure out if it's possible to put this stake in before that quarter. Gives us a little bit of flexibility on moving things around. I think it might be a little easier to put it in, although it does kind of get in our way for some of our welding. But as long as we, it might work, it might not. That's all. That's all.
Just so you guys are clear what he's working on right now, this is all upside down. So this is your tail light housing right here. Looks like this on the other side. So we assemble all of it completely upside down. So what he has in his hand right there
Slides in here.
which is the tailgate.
It's what supports it right here.
Yep. Which is just a tailgate stake post. So see it right here. So stay tuned, and we'll get this thing put in and get some pictures and more content for you. All right, guys, it's a wrap. Day 3. Got the second quarter panel on, all welded up. Looks good. So we had this side done yesterday. Anything else you can think of, Chris? You want to point out?
Oh, just the fact that they always take a lot of tweaking. This is a lot of tweaking to make this line up, to get these lines down here. This was clamped, welded, stretched, clamped, welded, stretched, clamped, welded, all the way around to these edges. It will not fit if you just set it together. And then the same thing over here with this rocker. It's temporarily just kind of set into place. There's no fitment. It doesn't fit at all. So that's one of the things you always have to consider. The B pillar here is right where it's supposed to be. The A pillar actually fits within this groove here. So the rocker's going to come out, get trimmed, so everything can go where it needs to go. We can set this door, and then after that point, we can continue on the front clip. But the 2 hardest spots are done. The firewall is done, and these rear quarters are done. We're just attaching everything else between them. And yeah, so we're at day 4, and another day and a half.
Yep.
If I haven't finished up. But yeah, all the hard stuff's done. So, mind you, the firewall has 0 welds. It's just tech screwed right now. So once we get through, we know everything's good, there's no tweaking we need to do. We'll do as much welding as we can between the tech screws, and then remove the tech screws one at a time, weld it up, spray a little bit of primer to seal it up so it doesn't rust, and that will be the end of this project. We'll be out the door, and we'll be on to the next one.
All right, guys, well, that's into day 3, and
Day 4. Is it day 3 or 4?
Day 3.
Okay.
Oh, is it day 3? I don't even know. I have to look online. Anyways,
What day is it anyways?
today's Tuesday. So yeah, day 3.
Okay.
Yeah, day 3. So anyways, I will be here tomorrow at the shop. I know Chris probably got some work to do, but we gotta get some other stuff, welding wire, stuff like that. But besides that, I'll may get some footage. If not, we will see you guys on the next day. Peace.
Later.